Hi, everybody here from NOVATech Live. We're so blessed to have you. We're going to really get started pretty quickly with our CEO, Cynthia Petion, is going to be joining us this evening. And we have an amazing PAM presentation by Bob Bearden. And before we get started, I'm just going to introduce you to our panelists. Okay, so Dr. Zizi will be joining us. He is our 2-star ambassador from the United States. Olivier from Canada. He is our 1-star ambassador from Canada. He's the co-founder of the Golden Team. Debbie DeJong, my best friend. She's a senior director as of today. Congratulations, Debbie, from Canada. We have Bob Bearden, director from the USA. We have Mark Marshall, junior director from my team from Canada. Eugene Crayman, junior director from Australia from my team. Rachel Hanley, senior executive from Canada. We have the amazing Satoshi Show led by Troy Raja, senior executive from the USA. David Chandler, senior executive from the USA. Marcus Davis, senior executive from the USA. Donzel Clear, senior executive from the USA. And Eric Brown, senior executive from the USA. And last but not least, we have Keith Walden, who is our executive and our IT genius for this evening. So without further ado, we're going to get started right away. And we would love to introduce to you Bob Bearden from the Dream Team, Golden Team. He's an amazing leader on our team. He does training all through the week and Zooms for all of us. He's the best presenter we have, and we're so happy to have him this evening to share with you what NOVATech is all about and why we're so excited to have you join us on our NOVATech journey. Go for it, Bob.
Hey, one quick note here, Bob. Give me just a second. We're maxed out at 3,012 attendees here, but people can use the YouTube overflow line right now. So if you jump on YouTube, you can use that YouTube overline link there. And
wow, that's incredible. Over 3,000 people. We've maxed out our line.
Awesome.
I see that Cynthia Petion has joined us. Our CEO. Cynthia, we love you and we thank you so much for joining us today. We're so blessed to have you with us. And we're going to do a formal little presentation by Bob, and then I'm going to introduce you a little bit further in our presentation. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much, Heather.
Thank you for having me. I'm just going to hang out here in the background if you don't mind.
No problem. Thank you,
it's an honor to have you.
I got to keep an eye on Bob. Make sure he's saying the right things, you know.
Perfect.
It's all good. I think I've done it enough times and watched you enough times. So thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Welcome, everybody from all around the world that's joining us tonight. This is a very, very exciting time in NOVATech. So you are in the right place at the right time. I'm just going to share with you why we're all so doggone excited to be a part of NOVATech, who's helping to create passive income for people worldwide. Now, before we get started, we do have to address an earnings disclaimer, as we are talking about money. So the use of our information and products and services should be based on your own due diligence, and you agree that the company's not liable for any success or failure of your business that's directly or indirectly related to the purchase of or the use of our information, products, and services reviewed. So really, guys, just verify what I'm saying to you. Trading is risky. There's always risk when it comes to utilizing your money to make you money. There's no guarantees here with NOVATech, but you're going to be excited about what we shared tonight. You have to be 18 years of age or older in order to participate, and you can only have one account. So don't try to get sneaky and put an LLC and then yourself. You don't want to do that. One account per person. Okay, so now that's out of the way, let's talk about NOVATech, established back in June of 2019. So gang, this is not fly by night. This is not here today, gone tomorrow. NOVATech is a registered hedge fund company that trades in the cryptocurrency and the foreign exchange markets. Now, NOVATech's produced an average PAM account trading bonus of 3% a week for the past 3+ years. It's pretty cool. Every single Friday, we're all pretty excited. So we're going to address two things here real quick on the front end of this. Trading, many of you might not understand that, and then exactly what a PAM account is. So what is trading? Right? Trading simply the conversion of one currency for another. In the case of crypto, you can buy one crypto, buy another crypto, trade them for one another, hold on to it, wait for it to go up and down. Now, in the case of professional trading, there's a real strategy that goes on behind the scenes that none of us need to know how to do. But trading crypto takes place 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And it's traded on what's called the blockchain, which is independent of any central banking system. Now, the foreign exchange market, a lot of people don't even know when they hear the word fiat. Fiat is cash. That's the money you go put in your bank. And the foreign exchange market's a decentralized market for trading the fiat. In fact, it includes all aspects of buying, selling, exchanging currencies at current or even determined prices. It's one of the largest liquidity markets in the world, actively trading over $5 trillion a day. Yes, trillion with a T, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Okay. Now, don't get scared. Don't get feared out here. We don't need to know any of that stuff, but it's important you understand where the profits of Novatech comes from, right? Now, what we do is simply open a PAM account. Now, what is a PAM account? Percentage Allocation Management Module. Sounds fancy, right? We'll call it PAM from now on. All you're actually doing is allocating some of your money to the hedge fund. And for doing that, Novatech is going to generously reward us every single week with a PAM account trading bonus that's been averaging 3% per week. Now, there's weeks that it's lower. I'll show you in a second. You fund this account with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Now, let me kind of explain this in real layman's terms. Think of it as opening another bank account, right? It's literally as simple as that. You go online and you actually register for an account. It takes about 5 minutes, and then you're going to fund it with one of these coins. At the end of the week, on Friday, you're going to decide whether you want to take your trading bonus, spend it on whatever you want, or you can compound it into your current principal balance that's in your trading account. Okay, that's really it. It's not any more complicated than this, you guys. Don't overcomplicate this. You register, you fund, and then you enjoy Friday. That's really the entire thing. Now, here's a chart. The company gives us these performance reports every single week. I'm going to make it a little bigger so everybody can kind of see this. And this goes from the start of this year. So you can see 2.36, we jumped up to 4.01, and you can see how this follows this trend right here. And then you look, if any of you are crypto enthusiasts, or remember the second week of May, I had so many friends that lost a lot of money in cryptocurrency that week. However, we still, as Novatech members, gained nearly 1% that week. Okay, still a positive return, which was exciting. Then we get over here close to the end, you know, where we're at now. We're getting close. You can see all the 3%. We're on a great trend. And if you were to add up all the percentages of the company from the beginning, yes, there's some that are high 4% and there's some that are in the 1%. There's no guarantee. But the doggone track record over the last 3+ years has been pretty darn good. We have to give a lot of kudos to the experienced traders and to Cynthia and her team, who's been really put together an incredible platform for all of us. You can see on the right side of our performance reports, it shows an added what each month was. So the lowest one you see here is 7.7% in May, when the market was really taking a dive. You go ask anybody you know, if they'd be happy making 7.7% on their money every single month, and they're going to be flabbergasted that it's even available. So we get these reports every single week. Now, let's talk about why we're different. There's really a couple important parts. Now, one of the reasons we're so different that's not actually on this slide is Novatech is 100% profit-based. So this hedge fund is completely self-sustaining. So if they said tomorrow, and our CEO's on tonight, so please don't do this, but if they said tomorrow, no more affiliates or members could join Novatech, all the current members would still earn money every Friday in their PAM account, because it's a self-sustaining profit-based system, which I think is completely brilliant. There's no guarantee. There's no way the company can get themselves in any type of financial trouble having to guarantee pay. So it's really important that you understand that the money we're earning is not coming from new people's money to pay old people's money. It's coming from the profits of the company. Okay. That's the main reason we're so different. Number two is there's no expiration dates on your PAM account. So what that means is you don't have to continue to fund it. I've heard about programs where every 6 months you got to fund your account again. That's usually a red flag that they need more of your money. Okay. You don't have to do that. You could fund your PAM account one time and then just continue to compound it, or you could take out your profits every week, whatever you decide. Now, the third reason, which I think is probably the most important next to being profit-based, is that you have access to your capital at all times. It's never, ever locked up. So you fund your PAM account, you have an emergency in your family, you have access to that money. Now, there's only one thing that I think is really important that everybody understands is there is a window of time that does have a penalty for pulling out your principal balance from your trading bonus, not from your bonus on Friday, not from your Saturday pay, but from your trading account balance. Now, in your first 2 weeks of funding that trading account, there's no penalty. Let's say you have an emergency in your family, you're 7 days in, you need that money, you're freaking out. You can pull that money out, no problem. Now, from day 15 to day 90, so it's a very short 75-day window, there's a 15% penalty on any of the money you pull out of your trading account. Now, listen close to this because I get this question a lot. On day 91, the penalty period is over. Now, if you put more money in your account, it doesn't reset a penalty or start over again. It's done on day 91, okay, which I think is incredibly generous. You go invest your money in any of these platforms, not even crypto, any platform, IRAs, anything out there, and those penalties are very strict and for a very long time. So that's incredible. But the most important thing, you guys, that you have to understand and write down, you have access to your funds just like you would if you put it into a bank, okay? Now, there's no earning caps, of course. There's no earning limits. Here's some of the highlights. We use live traders, and there's a huge advantage to that. Because a human being knows what's going on in the world. It knows what's causing some inflation. It knows about wars going on. You know, if all we were using was exclusive bots, the bot's not a human being. It doesn't know what's going on. It's only going to be based off of algorithms. So being able to have live strategic traders trading for us who have obviously proven themselves over 3+ years is a huge, huge plus for us. Now, number two, listen, if you're going, oh my God, I don't know anything about trading. I only know Bitcoin. I didn't even know there was 6,000 altcoins, and you're freaking out a little bit. Here's the best part. You don't have to know anything about trading, like zero, zilch, nothing. All you need to know how to do is fund your account with crypto, withdraw your account with crypto. And if you don't know how to do that, don't fear. I promise you, there is somebody around you that will embrace you and help you do that. The software Novatech has put together will do everything for you, track every single thing that we do, your orders, your history, your bonuses, everything. So you don't have to worry about that. And then if you did want to be a trader, you could download the MT5 platform. Novatech is their own licensed broker with MetaTrader. So you could download that, practice on a demo account. But more importantly, you could actually activate the Trading Academy library that Novatech has that's absolutely free for every member and truly learn how to trade on your own if that's kind of what your ambition is. And so in essence, really, this whole PAM account is like having automated trading for us with real live people. And then every week we get to see how well they did with their performance reports, which is pretty cool. Now, every account we have comes with low monthly fees, okay? $25 a month. Now, this is really cool. I have to say this is actually brilliant. So $25, you're never going to pay the $25 with your own money. You don't have to keep funding your account every single month to $25. In fact, the company doesn't even charge you the first time you join and open a PAM account. So there's no cost to open a PAM account. They're going to allow you the first 4 weeks of being a part of Novatech. And then on that anniversary date of the date you started is when they're going to charge you the $25, which you're going to make enough money and profit to cover that, which is why I say You're not even going to pay it with your own money, which is brilliant. They're going to conveniently take it right out of your trading account or your bonus wallet. You're never even going to feel it. Now, every Friday, we all say we're doing happy dances on Friday because every single Friday we wake up. Most of the time it's when we wake up. Every now and then it's in the afternoon if they close the trade late or whatever they do behind the scenes. But you're going to get your trading bonus. Now, here's a really cool thing, you guys. And remember this, every single person in Novatech gets paid a bonus on Friday that has a PAM account. Every person, which means the history of this company for 3+ years has paid a positive trading bonus on Friday, every Friday, which means that every person that's opened a PAM account has made money every single Friday since the inception of the company. That is incredible. And then, of course, there is an optional referral program if you decided you wanted to participate in that. And of course, you can upgrade your account at any time. Now, let's talk about the membership statuses that we have here with Novatech. There's 7 different membership packs. Starts at Builder, goes Builder, Bronze, Silver, Gold, Platinum. I'll share with you VIP and President's Club. The one I want to hone in on here, because all these packages, nobody gets more percentage on Friday, which I love, by the way. There's no enticement of getting somebody to put in 10 grand or 20 or 100 grand because they're going to get more money every Friday. That's not the case. Every single person gets the exact same amount of return as far as the percentage goes on Friday, whatever that is. So it doesn't really matter which package you start at. Start where you're comfortable. Don't start with an amount you can't afford to lose, okay? But I want to hone in on the Builder pack for a minute. I love this pack for a couple of reasons, but it's very, very important you understand why it's even there, okay? It allows everybody around the entire world, a lot of poverty-stricken countries can participate at 99 bucks, right? We have people that get together as groups and then they go work together and then they help their friend open an account and help their other friend. So it really comes in handy. But it's called a Builder pack because, gang, let's do some simple numbers here. If you open an account with $100, and then let's just say hypothetically, the company for 4 weeks in a row gave you 3.0%. Let's just say that. That would be $3 for easy math. So by the end of the month, if you compounded it every week, you might have 113, 114 bucks in your wallet, okay? So now, on your anniversary date of that second month, they're going to take the $25 and your account's going to go backwards. So listen, whoever invited you here to watch us tonight and watch this presentation, they didn't invite you to get you in something and take your $100, okay? That's not the point. The point's for you to have a way to leverage and make money on your money. And if you only have 100 in, it's going to go backwards. That isn't the point. So the magic number is at least 500. Now, it's called a Builder pack because you want to build onto that balance. And for newbies, I love it because they can add 20 bucks a week or whatever as they're trying to get to the 500. And it helps them understand how to move cryptocurrency. It's kind of like a training ground as well. That's another reason that comes in handy. But guys, if you have to start on 99, no problem. Just understand you want to build on that to at least 500 because that would cover the $25 service fee and your account would be profitable. Now that's the point of a Novatech PAM account, okay? Now our VIP members, now you don't have to start here. You could compound here, you could add commissions to it, you could add money from your job, maybe kind of like you might be contributing to a 401k, you could treat it like that. Once you get to 25,000, of course, there's no more $25 service fee. That's waived, which is pretty cool. But you get 1% back on your own personal PAM account trading bonus every single month. And then once you exceed that and you go to our exclusive President's Club, which kudos to a lot of our members who have made it into the President's Club already in such a short amount of time, you get 2.5% back on your own personal trading bonuses every month. You get $1,000 bonus. It's not a gift card anymore, but you get the bonus. So you could take it out, you could compound it, do whatever you want with it. And of course, there's no monthly fees here at all, okay? So gang, that literally is the whole program. Let's just do a real quick recap. First thing you do is open a PAM account. The second thing you do is fund it with some cryptocurrency from $99 to whatever amount you feel comfortable with. And then the third thing you do is enjoy your trading bonus every single Friday. The only thing you have to decide is whether or not you want to compound it into your trading balance or you want to withdraw it to start paying off some debt. And I got to tell you guys, when I first started Novatech, I started on a lower amount. I was broke, not broken. I was temporarily out of cash. And I got to tell you, Cynthia, Novatech has changed my life 100% in a very short 8 months time. I mean, completely changed my family's entire life. And the way I used my account to begin with over the last few years, you know, it wasn't so good financially. And I had a lot of little personal debts. So I grew my PAM account and then I paid off a personal debt. And I grew the PAM account and I paid off a personal debt. And today I continue to grow this with all my credit cards, my personal debts and all paid off, excited, and could not be more blessed that Novatech crossed my path. So I got to give a huge shout out to Miss Carla Amachan, who made that phone call to me. I'm extremely happy that I'm here. I'm so excited for all 3,000 plus people watching and what the future can hold for them and their family and the possibilities. If it happened for me, I promise you it can happen for you. So I'm honored to be your presenter tonight. Thank you so much for asking me, Heather. It's been a real blessing working with you. I feel like you're my sister from another mister. We've only been knowing each other for 8 months, but you've been an absolute joy, a pleasure, and an incredible servant-driven leader. So thank you so much. And I'm going to kick it back over to you.